How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Some of you were quite baffled that I actually pay $37 a month for my auto insurance, and I actually drive a 2001 Porsche Boxster as well. Today I'm going to show you my insurance statement and show you all the discounts I'm getting in order to get my rate this low. After I show you my statement, I'm also going to cover all the other discounts that are possible, just in case I didn't get it, but you can. Here's my Geico insurance, and you can see I only get liability insurance here. This is a main factor of having my insurance so low because essentially I am kind of self-insuring myself. If anything happens to my car, I can pretty much pay for it and do any kind of repairs. So it helps a lot to have enough emergency cash so that you can do something like this where you can just not pay for full coverage. I used to buy full coverage and it used to be $200–300 more, and you can see after maybe a year or two of paying full coverage, you can essentially have $1,000–2,000 to do any kind of minor to medium type level of repairs already. The coverage here that you select is variable, and you may find that going from one tier to another may not increase or decrease your payment premium all that much. There's various factors that contribute to my premium being so low. Number one is I always pay in full 6 months at a time. This causes a discount to be applied, and this is the discount already shown. And you can see $223 some divided by 6 is actually $37 a month. These are the types of discounts I have. Subclass factor, multi-line cycle, which means I have a motorcycle as well. California good driver, I haven't had an accident for 5 years. California persistency. Passive restraint airbag, which means my car has an airbag and I also have a seat belt in it. Professional group insurance rate. This has to do with me holding a Geico share and me saying that I'm affiliated with Geico, and therefore I can add this insurance discount on top of whatever discount I have before. So I have all these discounts added to whatever I had to pay to get this $223. Here's a list of discounts that works for Geico insurance, but I'm pretty sure any other kind of car insurance also have something similar where if you do certain things you would get additional discount. The way it works internally for an insurance company is that they look at these various factors, and when you have certain things, your risk actually goes down. Therefore, they can insure you for less and less. With that in mind, let me just go over the discounts. Out of all these discounts, you can see the circled ones are the ones I already have on my policy. Those two right there, anti-lock brake system and the anti-theft, I actually have those, except it's not on my policy. So doing this video is great because I suddenly realized that, and maybe I can call in and get additional discount. And I'll let you guys know if I do get additional discount in the video description below. Just go check there, I'll update that. A bunch of these things, of course, depends on your car model and if your car actually have that. And if it doesn't have it, you might be able to even add it, such as the anti-theft system. If your car has airbag, most cars have airbags. Anti-lock brake system, most cars have those these days. Anti-theft. If you have the daytime running lights, it will lower your premium. If you never had an accident in 5 years, that would also lower your insurance rate, which is great. If you always use your seatbelt all the time, you can tell them this and you can get another discount. Of course, they have no way to verify this, and I'm not sure how they can verify it. I think this is just based on the honor system where you say, yeah, of course, every time you get in, you use a seatbelt, then they'll honor you that discount. If you took defensive driving classes, I believe this only lasts a certain number of years. So if you took it, you have to kind of renew it in order to get this discount all the time. If you took driver's education, you can get a discount. If you're a good student, if you have good grades, then you can also get a discount. If you're on emergency deployment, such as in some war or something where they have to deploy you, yes, you'll also get a discount. You also get a discount if you're part of military, and you also get a discount if you're a federal employee. There's also a membership affiliation discount where they have about 500 groups that you can be part of. Just look through that group and see if you're part of any of that, then you can also get a discount. Even if you're not part of one of those groups, you can go and buy a Berkshire Hathaway share, just one share. I believe right now it's about $170 in your brokerage account. Then you can call them up and say, yes, you own a share of Berkshire Hathaway, which owns Geico. Then you can claim this membership affiliate and get a few percentage off of your policy. If you have multiple cars on the same policy, you can get a discount. If you have multi-policy, such as having, I don't know, other kind of insurance things. For me, I have a motorcycle insurance on top of that, then you can get a multi-policy discount. getting any kind of recurring expenses really low kind of pays you back month after month, because once you do the initial work of trying to get it really low in the first place, you just have to sit there and it's always just going to be a really low payment all the time. All of this is just really based on getting a really good cash flow. When you have expenses, you minimize them, and for any type of income, you try to maximize those, and you're going to get really good cash flow. I hope this video helps you for your Geico insurance or any other kind of insurance. Just call them up, knock their doors down, ask what kind of policy discounts they have, go to their website, see what kind of policy discounts they have, and see which one you can actively obtain. And most of the time, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find some of them that you already did, but you're just not getting the discount. Don't forget to give me a like on this video, comment down below. Let me know if you've already applied this method and getting the maximum discount on your auto insurance. If you're interested in supporting this channel, don't forget I have an Audible link down in the video description below. And also you can support this channel directly through my Patreon link over here. And as always, don't forget to subscribe over here. Thanks for watching.